In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a website in Hostinger Website Builder. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to easily create a copy of your website. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger homepage. Start by opening your preferred web browser, and in the address bar, type in hpanel.hostinger.com and press enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the Hostinger control panel, also known as the H panel. This is your gateway to managing all aspects of your website, from domain settings to website performance and beyond. After you've logged in, the next step is to locate your website's section. You can find this by looking for the Websites tab in the H panel. It's an intuitive layout, but if you ever find yourself lost, remember that the Hostinger interface is designed to be user-friendly, so don't hesitate to explore the different sections. Once you're in the website section, you'll want to identify the particular website you wish to duplicate. It will be displayed among your list of available sites. Simply click on the highlighted area that corresponds to the website you're interested in. This will present you with a range of options specific to that site. Here, Hostinger streamlines the process by providing all actions related to your chosen site in one convenient location. Now, this is where the magic happens. You'll see an option labeled Duplicate Website. Click on it, and the system will prompt you to confirm your action. Hostinger's system then gets to work, leveraging its powerful infrastructure to quickly and efficiently create a copy of your site. During this time, you can take a breather. It typically doesn't take long depending on the size of your original site. Duplicating your site can be incredibly useful for a number of reasons. Whether you're testing new features, making major design changes, or simply ensuring you have a reliable backup, it's a flexible way to manage your content without risking your existing setup. Always remember, though, while duplicating your site, ensure you're aware of the storage limits of your plan to prevent any unexpected outcomes. In just a few clicks, you've now successfully duplicated your website. From here, this new version of your site can be found within your website section, ready for any adjustments or experiments you wish to conduct. Isn't it empowering to know you have this level of control and flexibility at your fingertips? I hope this tutorial has demystified the process for you. It's all about using the tools at your disposal efficiently to make your website management smoother. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next video where we dive even deeper into the world of website building.